We are talking about royalty today. There's no other way. Mihlali is a princess of Hope-Breaking Village. There's no way. Men, married men, release statements every 2 months or 3 months defending Mihlali. No, Mihlali, princess yase Zamunda. No, Mihlali. Oh, Mihlali. This video is brought to you by Forever Glow. Are you suffering from acne? Those marks taking away from your confidence? Worry not, because Forever Glow has got you covered. Literally, okay? They help you with the reduction of the dark marks, the scarring, the pigmentation, the discoloration. You end up with a beautiful skin and even glow, bringing back that confidence, bringing back that inner beauty. Because guys, sibahle, no sibahle, laba babi, ilaba bangekho bahle, sibahle. So get your Forever Glow now. The testimonies, as you can see on your screen, are there. Sana, just be consistent in your use and get that glow skin, that glistening skin. More than anything, no one has to suffer from skin problems and all the pain that they bring. So get your Forever Glow today, and I will leave all the information in the description box down below. Okay? Kere 2026 skin zigging glow zokong ubuhle ngiyanamukela kumqobo yami bomuntu abakadade bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Mtware Kamukhala, okay? Titi. Hi Nina. Hey guys, do you remember I did part 1, part 2, part 3? Okay, I was wrong. No, I was wrong in acrimony. You were wrong in acrimony. Because why? Mike has taken out another statement saying that he has never been in any relationship with Mihlali. He has never sent Mihlali not even 1 cent. Yeah, all the things that are being spoken about, we are lying. Yeah, he's only had one interaction with Mihlali, and that was it. He only knows Mihlali through that one interaction. Everything else is lies and fabrication. She don't know that girl. She does not want to see that girl naked. Huh? Why are you guys lying on him on the internet? Yeah, when a Sims and your senior management, they're doing videos saying that I was sending money to Mihlali. Yeah. I did the store incentive. Yeah. It's a lie. Mina Mike guy one. Guys two. Mrs. Tombeni. Guy three ngishadile. Yeah. Mihlali. Oh, she was never my crush. Oh, what? What is a Mihlali? Is that a Vodacom or a CLC container? I wouldn't know, because I've never seen those containers even in my life. But oh Mike, you will pay for your sins. And then number 2, Mihlali has also taken down the statement where she told us that Mike was stalking her. Mike is putting her life under the danger. There's people following her family members. She removed that statement. Yes, take a drink. Take this one. Take this drink. Drink, guys, because we are being gaslit right during working hours. Puzan. Those who are in the office, just take 2 shots. But the rest of us, let's drink all the ones here, because what in the world is going on? Guys, I don't know what type of equipment Mihlali uses as a vagina, because I need to know. I need that telephone number. Not because nyapapa, but because I'm in awe. I'm in awe. You remember when she was dating Leroy? Leroy came out with a statement throwing his wife under the bus to defend Mihlali. Leroy even saying, my girlfriend is a hard worker. That time he's married. It's like, my girlfriend is a hard worker. My girlfriend is so loving. Stop harassing my girlfriend. That time he's married. But he's talking about his girlfriend, Mihlali. Number 2, that other man that took out a statement, Use Winkle. You remember Say Winkle? when people were putting them together, but they were like, we are not together. Stop saying we are together. And this man had to come out with a statement saying that, I don't know Miss Ndamase. Please stop saying that I know Miss Ndamase. I don't. This is a third statement from Mike. Oh, Mike. The same Mike that said he wanted his money back from Mihlali is the same Mike now denying Mihlali to protect who? Mihlali's image, Mihlali's brand. Guys, Mihlali, I don't know what kind of I don't know she's playing, but she's playing I don't know, and she's I don't knowing well. Yedi, like I need no, this is not an ad. Wait, I can explain. Wait, 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 wait. Guys, wait. Yeah, yeah. We are still at the bar, and then what? If I am advertising, I put some ad. That was not an advert. That was a toilet break because you guys were drinking at my bar. So you need to go to the toilet, then come back to the bar. Don't think this is a background video. No, it's not. We are actually at the bar. Okay, it's not a glitch. It was a toilet break. How? Wait. Anyway, back to the story. Yeah. So we really need to understand why these married men would rather embarrass their wives who have nothing to do with these scatters. Because really, you are a grown married man crying for a single woman, wanting possession over a single woman. Hmm? When you have a family. But also, this single woman is also wrong. No, guys, you must always also, everyone must be wrong in agreement. This single woman has now seen that, oh, I have been in one marriage scandal. Let me not do the same mistakes. And by not doing the same mistakes, I mean make them now sign NDAs. Not that I will not enter someone's marriage, but I will make you sign an NDA so that I can enter quietly, like the Titanic under the ocean, yeah, like a submarine. Hmm? Guys, Mihlali, the devil works, but Mihlali works harder. No, because I'm shook. Like now, we must all say sorry for the videos that we did, but we know what we saw. We saw. Did you see me see the papers, see the bank statements, see it, and then come bring it for you to see it? And then we all saw the same thing, but now they're telling us that we did not see what we saw. Yes, mabathi okwami okwezandla. Mine is for the hands. Ngine shock. Ngine alostro. Because wow. Yeah. I need to go to Mihlali's royal village. No, she's royalty. She's royalty in there of the home wrecking villages. I need to go there. Visit in my personal capacity. No, guys, I need to take this video serious because the shock. The shock. Ah, Mihlali, you did your big one, my sister. You did your big one. What do you mean? Statements were removed right in front of our eyes. And then you guys say you don't know each other, but you said you had a stock. So now which one is it? So you don't have a stock. But they did say they were fixing things behind the scenes. Like I told you, everything was now with the lawyers and everything is happening behind the scenes. So I think they came to an amicable agreement and they've agreed to take everything off social media and do the private mediation between them. So indaba isele nobani nathi. Abo bana abahlanyayo yithi because why? Re rata ditaba. You understand? We like news so much so that when they involved us and we actually got involved, when they removed themselves, zisele nabo bani nathi. Don't ever enter indaba zabantu abayi two. Don't enter the news of two people because what? Now I just can't figure it out. I will see you guys on my next video. I don't even know if my next video is true because it's so hard to work for royalty. It really is.